Salerana Ijen limat siko besesobung tandingan anyonar kalaban tandang esena bumi anyonar kalaban tandang esena bumi salanjengnya tetap ngaromataki.
Tens of thousands of years ago, there was a massive eruption which formed a vast caldera. That's where a civilization begins. The magnificent Ijen Geopark retains abundant natural and cultural heritage, and among them, through the sites existed there, such as geological sites, biological sites, and culture. Geological site is an area with several geological elements which have special value. Another wonder is the phenomenon of a very large concentration of sulfur sprayed at a temperature of more than 360 degrees Celsius, which then it reacts with the air so that it appears like blue fire. Nature has given a lot to human life. It has become a comfortable home to live in. Feel the universe welcoming you gently. Let it embrace all the worries in your mind. Take you to the place you've always dreamed of. There, you realize the splendor of the earth you are stepping on, and also find freedom. Cast away your doubt, move wherever you want. Feel the connection between your soul and nature. Tranquil and peaceful. Now you are ready for better days. Be an adventurer who dares to take a step in every opportunity. And this vast and beautiful nature is a way of self-exploration. Open your eyes. Inhale and exhale slowly. Feeling life. Interacting with nature will make you aware to protect and preserve it. this way, nature will protect human life.